is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to film the unboxing of my Allure December beauty box. I did just get back from a holiday Christmas cocktail party. It was like a Christmas cookie cocktail party. If you like my makeup look and you want to see how I got it, you can check it out here. But I'm just gonna get right into the Allure Beauty Box. So for December, it's Happy Holidays. They have like their little insert about the products. Spread the joy. And then a $10 member store credit, which I might actually use. So thank you, Allure. First thing I see in the box is this Manuka Honey Kiss Deep Hydration Shine. Okay, it's like a Manuka Honey conditioner and shampoo set. It smells so good. I hope they didn't leak. Nope. Oh my gosh, they must have like put the smell inside the bag. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. You know how like the store Lush smells, like that really overwhelming smell? I personally like it. Ooh. Yay. Lucetta. Cute. I'm very excited to try these. Then is this cute little beauty sponge from Base Blue. Very cute. I like the little gem package it has. That's super cute. Next is the Rhodial Bee Venom Firming Eye Cream. Oh, what a score. You guys, this is like such a great product. I've used this product before, the entire Bee Venom line. It was gifted to me probably like 10 years ago by someone who worked in their marketing department. Shout out to Manny, thank you so much if you see this. This is worth the entire monthly subscription and more. Love this, thank you, Allure. Wow. Okay, next, this was like the featured product that you got to choose. This is Dibs Glossy Balm, and I chose Italian Soda. Dibs. Ooh. Cute. It smells like vanilla. Wow, it's like super thick. It kind of looks like the gloss I already had on, but awesome, beautiful packaging. It has a little bit of texture right there, and such a beautiful desert island beauty status. Ooh, I like that. Okay. And last in this box, they always give the 11 free meals or 10 free meals. I've yet to try HelloFresh, but maybe one day I will give in. And lastly is the Beauty for Certain Soft to Sculpt Contour Palette. Ooh. I feel like contour palettes were a thing of the 2016 era. Oops. Let's see what this is about. Oh, is it an eyeshadow palette? I'm sorry, I thought it said contour palette. Okay, it says use lighter shades for soft brightening and lift on the cheeks, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. Apply deeper matte shades to the hollows of the cheeks, jawline, temples for a sculpted definition. Blend with a contour brush or sponge. So it actually is a contour palette. It looks like an eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely gonna have to experiment with this. Maybe it's like dual purpose, but very interesting. Beauty for Certain. Cute. And that is what was in my Allure December beauty box. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.